The Chevrolet Corvette accelerates quickly, handles well, and handles traffic and daily errands pretty well. The style may be controversial, but the pricing and performance are not. The Corvette is unique in an impressive class of performance vehicles. During testing, we were able to accelerate our 3LT Coupe test car with all-season tires from 0 to 60 miles per hour in 3.6 seconds, or 3.3 seconds with a foot of rollout, and cross the quarter mile in 11.8 seconds, reaching speeds of over 118 miles per hour. The Z51 performance package reduces both times to 3.4 seconds, 3.2 seconds with rollout, and 11.5 seconds at 120 miles per hour, respectively, but both times are still extremely fast. Braking performance is superb, but not quite class-leading, but this is primarily owing to the small front tires. Our 3LT test car came to a stop from 60 miles per hour in 109 feet, while the Z51 Corvette's stickier tires required only 105 feet. Steering and handling are also outstanding, and the car's enormous capabilities may be pushed even by drivers of average experience. Similarly, the new 8-speed automatic gearbox delivers smooth and rapid shifts. The Corvette is one of the most comfortable vehicles in its class. Our test vehicle included the optional MagneRide adaptive suspension. We discovered that it provides outstanding compliance across a wide range of road conditions and smooths out bumps that would normally upset other sports cars. The relative lack of wind and engine noise contributes to comfort, while tire noise might be noticeable on rough road surfaces. The Corvette's GT2 bucket seats are road trip champions, keeping you comfy for thousands of miles. They're less forceful than the optional competition seats, but they just keep you in place during high-speed turns and are adequately padded for long-distance comfort. The climate system's elegant vents give good ventilation, and the heated and ventilated seat functions work properly. The touchscreen is easy to use and conveniently located near the driver of the Corvette. The images are clear and modern. Despite the modest size of the interior, the optional 14-speaker Bose audio system produces high-quality music with ample power. Wireless Android Auto and Apple CarPlay compatibility are also included, and both smartphone integration systems performed admirably throughout our testing. An optional nose lift device may utilize GPS to remember steep driveways, which is more practical than you might think. Of course, Chevrolet's performance traction management software is available and highly effective. The practicality of mid-engine sports cars is not well recognized. However, the Corvette uses the space it has really well. There are enough shopping bags to fit in the front trunk, and there is room for 2 golf bags in the back. But when you put the convertible Corvette Coupe's top panel in the trunk, rear storage practically vanishes. There is only a tiny, shallow center console box and 2 similarly tiny cup holders for internal storage, just like in other cars in this class. Although they are long and lined with felt, the door pockets are not very roomy. The Corvette achieves an EPA estimated 19 miles per gallon in city and highway driving. On our mixed driving evaluation route, our test Corvette returned 21.8 miles per gallon, which is not bad given the Corvette's emphasis on vigorous driving. Single digits, like all high-performance cars, are only a decent road and a heavy foot away.